Comparison of Realme 10 Pro Plus, Techno Phantom X2, Infinix Zero Ultra. Now we will talk about display type, display size, refresh rate, resolution, screen to body ratio, display PPI density, screen protection, now we will talk about build quality, height, width, thickness, weight, water resistant, camera specifications. Rear camera Realme 10 Pro Plus, rear camera Techno Phantom X2, rear camera Infinix Zero Ultra, front camera, performance, chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, storage, RAM memory, internal memory, battery, capacity, fast charging, sensors, connectivity, network, NFC, port type, headphone jack, price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.